Every trader is addicted to something. Some are addicted to overtrading. Some are addicted to chasing payouts. Some are addicted to the dopamine hit of just pressing the button. But the traders who win, they're addicted to discipline. And that's what we're going to talk about today. Why discipline is the best addiction that you can ever build as a trader, and how it transforms not just your trading, but your entire life. Now, let's be honest for a second. Most traders aren't losing because they don't know enough. In fact, most traders know too much. They're losing because they're addicted to the wrong things. Addicted to overtrading, so scrolling the charts, forcing setups that aren't there. Addicted to gambling, doubling lot sizes, chasing after one trade to erase a bad trade. Addicted to shiny objects, new indicators, new strategies, new signal groups. Addicted to dopamine, that rush when the market moves fast and you think, I can't miss this one. And then you press the button. Now, here's the brutal truth. Those addictions feel exciting in the moment, but they're slowly killing your account. They're slowly killing your confidence. That is taking away your identity as a trader. And every blown account, every challenge that you reset or you rebuy, it just starts with the wrong addiction. But the traders who actually make it, their addiction looks completely different. They're addicted to the process, to small, repeatable steps that most people think are boring. But in reality, guys, that's where the money is made. They're addicted to patience, waiting for their setup like a sniper instead of firing at every target that moves. They know that sometimes the best trade that you can take is the one that you don't take, right? They're addicted to structure, following their plan even when emotions scream otherwise. And they treat trading like an athlete treats game day: preparation, warm up, execution, review. They're addicted to showing up every single day, even when there's no setup, because they know consistency in presence builds consistency in results. They're addicted to journaling, not just the charts, but their emotions, their decisions, the why behind every click. Wins and losses both get recorded because the journal doesn't lie. It becomes the mirror that reflects the truth of who they are as traders. They're addicted to risk management, knowing their first job is protection, not profit. They never put themselves in a position where one bad day destroys years of work. And here's the difference. Discipline doesn't need motivation. Motivation is a feeling. It comes and it goes. Discipline, however, is a system. It doesn't care how you feel. You don't trade because you feel good about the market. You don't trade because this looks like it might go in my direction. You trade because the setup is here. It meets the criteria. The risk is controlled. The process says yes. And if it's not there, then you do nothing. No second guessing, no forcing, no gambling, because that's the addiction of a professional trader. Not a rush of a win, not the thrill of being right, but the quiet satisfaction of following their process to the letter, no matter what the market throws at them. Now, here's why most people get it wrong, because they think discipline is about doing more. And it's not. Discipline is about doing less, but doing it consistently. Now, I trade two candle deviation theory. One candle is all I need. But even so, with such a simple concept, it is nothing without discipline. Traders start seeing setups that aren't really there. Traders convince themselves that you're being proactive. because you're taking trades. Traders chase the market instead of letting it come to them. And that's why I always say discipline is identity, right? You're not just the guy or girl pressing buy and sell. You are the sniper who waits. You are the operator who follows the rules. You are the trader who protects his capital first. Because without identity, every decision feels random. And with identity, every decision is already made. So you got to understand that discipline starts beyond the charts. And that's the real kicker. Discipline doesn't stop at the charts. If you can't control your sleep, your food, your focus, your energy, then good luck controlling yourself when money's on the line. Because discipline in trading is built outside of trading. It's waking up early when you'd rather sleep in. It's training when you don't feel like it. It's saying no to distractions that steal your focus. So if you want a strong trading life, then you've got to build discipline in your personal life first. Because I'm going to tell you now, the charts do not create discipline. They expose it. So let me leave you with this. And I think you will like this. Khabib said it best. He said, discipline is the best addiction that you can ever build. If you want consistency, discipline builds it. If you want more peace of mind, discipline protects it. If you want more respect from yourself, your family, your community, discipline earns it. Because the Lambos, the payouts, the flashy wins, the watches, all of that comes and goes. But with discipline, guys, that's permanent. That's the foundation no drawdown can take away from you. So stop chasing shortcuts. Stop chasing excitement. Stop chasing that one magic trade that changes everything. And start chasing discipline. Start chasing the process. Start chasing the quiet wins that stack over time. And every day until discipline isn't something you do, is who you are. Do not stop. Because in the end, the market doesn't need to be conquered. The market will always do what the market does. So the real battle is with yourself, with your impulses, with your emotions, with your need for speed, your urge for redemption. And if you can conquer that, then there is nothing in this game that can stop you from winning. So here's my challenge to you. From today, choose your addiction. Will it be the noise? Will it be the gambling? Will it be the endless search for the next new thing? Or will it be discipline? The addiction that builds freedom, wealth, and respect. If this hit home, guys, smash that like button for me, subscribe, turn on notifications, and as I always say, continue to trust the process.